Hi Home Cooks, it's a beautiful day once again. Welcome sa Home Cook channel. For this video, Home Cooks, magluluto naman tayo ng binignet. Ito yung complete ingredients na gagamitin natin. Ito yung ating coconut milk, brown sugar, ito yung ating banana, at kamote. Ito yung ating gabi. At yung langka natin. Ito yung landang at sagu. Yan, Home Cooks, napakadaming color at napakaganda niyan, napaka-delicious. At gagamit din tayo nito ng kunting asin para maging balance yung ibang ingredients natin. So, gawin natin, papainitin lang natin itong ating coconut milk. At ilagay natin itong ating gabi. At itong kamuti natin. Sunod dyan is takpan lang natin hanggang sa kumulo. Kapag kumulo na yan, ilagay natin ang landang. Dalawang color yung landang natin. At halu-haluin lang natin. Alright, okay na yan, Home Cooks. At ilagay natin itong ating sagu, green sagu, orange sagu. Ito yung pink. Napakadaming color nito, Home Cooks. Ito yung purple at yellow sagu. Yan, hintayin lang natin yan, matutunaw yan. Takpan lang natin. At kapag kumulo na yan, nagdahan-dahan yung naghihiwalay yung sagu natin. Tingnan natin, no? Yan. Look at that. It's so yummy. Wow. Pagka ganyan ilalagay natin itong ating banana. Pinakuluan ko lang yan ng siguro mga 8 minutes para maging half cook yung ating kamote at gabi. Yan, pagkatapos ng banana, ilagay natin itong ating langka. Wow, look at that. Napakasarap nitong langka, Home Cooks. Napakabango pa nitong langka. Pagkatapos nating malagay, halu-haluin lang natin yan. Yan. Wow, look at that. Alright. It's so yummy. Creamy. Alright, kapag hintayin lang natin kumulo yan at takpan muna natin. Lulutuin ng ito ng mga 8 minutes. At pagkatapos ng 8 minutes, Home Cooks, yan na yung ating binignet. Ilagay natin yung ating kalahati ng nilagay natin kanina. Ito yung kalahating tinira natin. Pure ito, Home Cooks, no? Para maging maganda yung texture ng ating niluluto. Yan, look at that. Wow. It's so yummy and creamy. Napaka-creamy, Home Cooks. Wow, look at that. Alright. Yan, halu-haluin lang natin. Pagkatapos nating mahahalo yan, Home Cooks, no? Pakukuluan lang natin ito. Hintayin lang natin kumulo. At kapag kumulo na yan, okay na yan. Pwede. At this point, Home Cooks, ilagay natin yung ating kunting asin at yung sugar natin. nilagay ko dito yung sugar at is asin. At pakukuluin lang natin ito ng mga 2 minutes para maging dissolve yung ating asin at ang ating sugar. Yan, alright. Kung nakikita ninyo naman, it's so creamy and yummy. Yan ang cooks, halo-haloin lang muna natin. At itong ating binignit ay ready na to. Okay pas, alright. Yan ang cooks, isa-serve na natin. Wow, look at that. Done and dusted out of this planet. Oh yeah. Tara cooks, kain tayo. Thank you for watching cooks sa susunod nga recipe. Ingat!